When I used to hang out in my patio area, I started noticing there was separation of the patio with the home itself. And at first I thought it was something that I could easily repair, where I could just stick adhesion, but then I realized with more incoming rain of Florida, the separation wasn't getting any better. I honestly just Googled a lot of foundation companies, and LRE was one of the main companies that came out. And when I called them, they were very, very professional from the beginning. I really liked Amir. When he came, he was very professional. By the time that LRE came for the day of resolution, it was Derek and Jaylyn. But once they were done, they did a good job at cleaning up all of the mess that they caused, which wasn't much, but you don't really see a lot of contractors do that. So I think it really speaks a lot to LRE's integrity and professionalism. LRE was able to work with my lifestyle, and they text me, they communicated with me throughout the whole process, and they definitely listened to the client versus doing what it is that they thought was best.